Welcome to Get Glimpse channel. Adding Google sign-in with Supabase involves two main steps. First, configuring a Google Cloud project and then enabling the provider in your Supabase dashboard. The process is straightforward and secures users' authentication via OAuth. So today, I'll show you Supabase Google Auth tutorial, how to add Google sign-in to Supabase. Let's start with the first step. That is to configure your Google Cloud project. First, create a project. Navigate to the site, that is Google Cloud Console in your favorite web browser, and either select an existing project or create a new one. Now, secondly, set up the OAuth consent screen. From the sidebar, go to the APIs and services, then OAuth consent screen. Select the external user type, as this is for users outside of your organization. Fill in the required app information, including your app's name, support email, and the developer's contact information. Now, create OAuth credentials. Go to Credentials from the APIs and Services menu. Just click on plus Create Credentials and select OAuth Client ID. Choose Web Application as the application type. Crucially, add your Supabase callback URL to the authorized redirect URIs field. You can find this URL in your Supabase dashboard under Authentication, then go to Providers, and then go to Google. The URL will look something like this, as you can just see right here. Now click Create. Google will then provide you with a client ID and a client secret. Copy both of these as you will need them in the next step. So the second step now is to enable Google Provider in Supabase. First, navigate to Authentication. In your Supabase project dashboard, click on the authentication icon in the left sidebar. Now, add a provider. Go to the Providers tab and find Google in the list. Enable and paste keys. Turn on the Enable Sign-in with Google toggle. Paste the client ID and client secret you obtained from your Google Cloud project into the corresponding fields. Now, click Save to finalize the configuration. Now, let's get to the common setup issues and troubleshooting. First, if you have an issue like redirect URI mismatch error, this is the most frequent issue. Ensure the authorized redirect URIs in your Google Cloud Console exactly match the callback URL provided by Supabase. Even a single character difference or a missing trailing slash will cause this error, so check on that. Also, if you have an error getting user email from an external provider, some Google Workspace accounts may require explicit scope request. You can add this site, that is www.googleapis.com/auth/userinfo.email like this, to the scopes option in your sign-in code to fix this. Also, we have an issue with local development. If you are developing locally, your authorized redirect URIs in the Google Cloud Console must include this. That is 127.0.0.1:54321/auth/v1/callback. Now, once configured, you can call the sign in with OAuth method from your client side code, which will handle the rest of the OAuth flow for you, and you are done. That's it. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this.